Welcome to my one room apartment. Okay, this is where we are, and as you could see, this is our solar light. This solar light is about 5 watts. This is solar fridge. Okay, this solar fridge right now there is no electricity, there is no NEPA, so this is solar fridge. As you can see, the fridge is working, chilled and loaded. Okay, this is the freezer. You could see the ice coming out. You could see the fish. The fishes, they have all frozen up. All right, so there's no electricity, it's just solar. You can see how the ice is coming out, chilling. All right, so this is the solar himself. Currently the solar is just consuming the battery. Currently the fridge is just consuming 3%. That is, you can see it's inverter. This is the controller. That's a controller. MPPT, multiple PowerPoint tracking controller. Right, this is 3.5 kVA's off-grid solar system, and this is the circuit breaker. Here there's no electricity right now. There's no electricity right now. When there's electricity, there will be some numbers showing here. So currently it just switched to 4%. All right, so here is my fan. It's two fans, so I'm going to turn them on. So here I'm going to turn on the television. All this is powered by solar. Okay, all this is powered by solar. It's loading. This is 32 inches Android TV, TLC. So I'm going to turn on my this is my free-to-air decoder. Sorry, just one. So let's check the consumption. Now you can see it's 6%. The solar is consuming 6% of our load. The panel volts is 9 volts. Currently the battery is 25.3 volts. Current charge. Still no electricity. No NEPA. Still 6%. Let's turn on all the loads. As you can see, videos are all this is powered by solar. You can see. So I'm going to turn on the computer. As you can see, the system is on. Let me turn on the charging. I just turn on the power. You can see that is the charger. It's charging. The laptop too, the second laptop is charging. So the system is coming up. So let's see the power consumption. That is TV working. Now the consumption is 8%. 8%. Let's turn on the smart TV. I just turn on the smart TV. Okay.
Hey, you have been delivered.
So, beautiful people, as you could see, this is a smart TV. Smart TV, 55 inches, about 300 watts, I think. This is 32 inches. This is 50 watts. Okay, and here is our fridge. This is 85 watts, as it says here. All right. So thank you so much for watching. This is our solar home. Welcome to our solar home. Okay, welcome to our solar home where there is no power from the offgrid. So this is purely solar. As you can see, 8%. 8%. So still no electricity from the government. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.